I think yesterday's one's exercise 2.3 I have to say. Okay. See now that problem what we have to find out. Once again we will see that problem. Okay. See what they ask in the question. When a polynomial 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b is divided by x minus 2 leaves remainder 2 and x plus 2 leaves remainder minus 2, find a and b value. So they asked to find out the a value and b value. See, when we divide with x minus 2 with p of x, again x plus 2 we divide with p of x. We have to reminder we have to leave as an 1 as 2 and another one as minus 2 in the question only they gave. So we have to equal that one. And what we have to find out in this question we have to find out again a and b value also we have to find out. Okay. Just we done half problem and the time has completed. Now continue this problem. Okay. See what they gave in the question. Let f of x equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b. Okay. F of x what they given in the question, that one we are written as a polynomial. Okay. The remainder theorem, when f of x is divided by x minus 2 it is divided means we want to get the remainder is 2 we want to get. So is 2. So that is f of 2 equals to 2. Now in the f of 2 how like we will get x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2. Okay. F of 2, these two values we have to replace in the x values. Okay, in the x place. So 2x cube plus 3x square plus ax plus b equal to 2. So I am substituting in the x place 2. Okay, 2 cube plus 3 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b equals to 2. Okay, now again 2 cube means what we will come? 8 we will come. Yes or no? 2 cube means 8. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8. Okay. Again 2 square means 4. A into 2 means 2a plus b equals to 2. Same like that only. So 2 into 8 how much we will get? 16. 3 fours how much we will get? 12. 2 into a 2a. B same as it is equal to 2. Next here constant terms all we have to take one side and variable terms all we have to taken as one side. Okay. Variable terms already here what is there? 2a plus b is there. So 2a plus b I am writing here only. Constant terms what are there? 16 plus 12 means how much we will get? 28 will. 28 it transpose from the left hand side to the right hand side. The sign will be changed. So plus is there means minus will come. Minus is there means plus will come. Okay. Transports to the left hand side. So plus 28 it becomes as a minus 28 plus 2 same as it is we are writing here 2a plus b equal to minus 26. So I am saying that this is an equation 1. Okay. This one I am saying as an equation 1. So next in the question only again they ask. So one is x minus 1 we have to prove and another one x plus 2. So now we are taking as an x plus 2 with divides f of p of x. Okay. So the remainder when f of x is divided by x plus 2. X plus 2 means we have x plus 2 equal to 0. X equal to minus 2. Okay. X value minus 2 we will come. So is minus 2. So that is f of minus 2 equal to minus 2. So in the x place again we have to replace as an minus 2. Okay. So now again I am replacing as an minus 2 here. 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus a into minus 2 plus b equal to minus 2. Okay. Now here minus 2 whole cube means here what will come? Minus 8 will come. So yesterday I said if the power it is in the odd number, the sign will become same. If the power is even number, the sign will be positive will come. Odd number is there means negative sign will come. Even number is there means plus is there. Okay. So 2 cube means 2 into minus 8. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 4, 4 2 8. Plus 3, 2 square means 4. Plus into minus, minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Okay. Again here minus 16, 8 to 16 minus 16 plus 3 fourths 12 minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. So same as it is. Here what are the variables here? 2a plus b are the variables. Constant terms we have to transpose that from the left hand to the right hand side. Okay. Minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2. Here minus 16 plus 12 is there, means minus 4 will come. Minus 4 it goes from the left hand side, means it comes plus 4. So plus 4. Minus 2a plus b equal to minus 2 plus 4 it comes 2. Okay. Now this is second equation. So this is an second equation. So first equation we got, second equation we got. By using these two equations, we will find out as an a value and b value we will find out. Okay. So in solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. Yeah, in equation 1, what is the value here? 1 we will see. What is there? 2a plus b equal to minus 26. Again in equation 2, minus 2a plus b equal to 2 is there. Yes or no? So here plus minus is there. So we will get cancelled. Plus b what comes? 2b. That equals to minus 24. Minus 24. Now I want the b value here. Okay. 2b equals to minus 24. So b equals to minus 24 by 2. Here multiplication is there. When it transports from the left hand side to the right hand side, it becomes as a division. So 2 ones, again 2 ones, 2 twos. So b equals to minus 12. So b value I has found out here. A value I want. You can substitute anywhere in the equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. If you substitute in equation 1 or equation 2, a value we can find out. So I am substituting in the equation 2. From 2. So b value already I know minus 12. So minus 2a plus b equals to 2. This is the second equation. No? Now I am substituting b value. Minus 2a plus of minus 12 equals to 2. So minus 2a, it is a variable I am keeping here. Minus 12 it transfers from the left hand side. What will come? It is a plus 12. So minus 2a equals to 2 plus 12. Minus 2a equals to 14. Then a equals to 2, it comes transfers from the left hand side to the right hand side. It multiplication is there. When it transfers from, it becomes as a division. So 2 ones, 2 sevens. So a equals to minus 7. So in the question what they asked to find out the a value and b value. So I am find out here. Therefore a equal to minus 7, b equals to minus 12. So what in the given the question we have to check carefully. What they given we have to find out. So it divides x minus to the p of x. In p of x we have to substitute x equals to 2. And again it leaves the remainder 2. They only in the question they give. So equals to 2 we have to prove. So when we are taking that one, we will get one equation that we are assuming as an equation 1. 2a plus b equal to minus 26. Again same as it is like that only, x plus 2 divides the f of x. Again they given. So f of x in the x place we are replacing as an a minus 2. Again we will get as an a second equation that we are naming as an a 2. And both a and b equation 1 and 2 we are solving. So solving after we will get the a value and b value. Here I got, when I solving that equation 1 and 2, I got the b value. So b equals to 12. That value I am substituting in the equation 2. Whatever it may be in equation 1 also we can solve, no problem. I am taken as an a 2. So I'm taken as in the second equation. I got the a value is -7. So they in the question what they ask, a equal to -7, b equals to 12. Okay. So next problem we will see in that exercise only. Seventh problem we will see. Now see, find find the remainder when f of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x equal to x minus 2 and verify the result by the actual division. Okay. So here we have to find out that g of x is divides the f of x. Again we have to find out the long division method of discuss this problem also. Once again, now again we will discuss this one. See now given f of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4. Again g of x what they given, g of x minus 2. So now I am taking as a reminder theorem. The reminder when f of x is divided by g of x is f of 2. So here x equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to 2 we will come. So f of 2. In the x place we have to replace as an a 2. So f of 2 equals to 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4. That equals to 2 for 4 means 2 cube means we get 8. Again 1 2 we will multiply with means we will get 16. 2 square means 4. 4 3 12. 12 again plus 4. So here 16 plus again 4 is there means 20. 20 minus 12 that equals to 18. So f of 2 equals to we got 18. Sorry, we got 8. 20 minus 12 it is 8. So again what they ask in the question, again they asked in the actual division means normal division we have to do. So normal division we are doing means what we have to see here. We have to verify this 8 will come or not in the remainder. We have to see this one. Okay. So long division process means x minus 2 it is an a divisor. Again x power 4 is there. So here x power 4 is there, x cube is there here. X cube is not there. So I am keeping as an a 0. Again minus 3x square. Again here x term also not there. So plus 0 plus 4. See here when we check the degrees here, the degree is there in the order or not. Once we will check this polynomial. Okay. So x power 4 is there. X cube in the question is there, not there. So I written as an a 0. Again x cube square is there. So square what is there? Minus 3x square. Again plus x again we want. X here is there in the question? No. So I am written as in the 0. Again plus 4. Constant term is there. So ax power 4 plus ax cube bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Okay. So in this equation we want this polynomial we want. So here x power 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We have to check the order of the powers. So in the order of the powers, we didn't have the term of an x cube. So I am written as an for x cube place, I am written as an 0. Okay. Again, x cube, x square is there. So what is there in the x square? 3x square there only is there. X term is not there. So again, I am written as an 0. E, it is an a constant 4 is there. Okay. Now we will do the normal division for this problem. Okay. So yesterday only I said. So here first term we had to take. Here first term we had to take. So here first term we had to take. Here first term we had to take. So x power 4 by x. So x will get cancelled. So what is there? X cube is there. This x cube we have to keep in the quotient. This x cube we have to multiply with the divisor. Okay. We have to multiply with the divisor. So x cube into x, what will come? X power 4 plus, sorry, here x into minus, sorry, plus into minus, minus. So x cube into minus 2. So 2x cube, 2x cube. Yes, same sign is there. So I am changing the sign here, minus, here plus. So this x power 4 will get cancelled. Here 2x cube. Again I am taking the term down. Minus 3x square. Again here what is there in that? 2x cube is there. Again I am cancelling with the x. X will get cancelled. What will come? 2x square. This 2x square here sign is not there means as we had to keep 2x square. This 2x square again I have to multiply this term with the divisor. So 2 into 2x, 2x, x into 2x square, 2x cube, 2x cube into minus 2 to 4 x square. Okay. Now again plus it comes minus, here minus is there means plus. Just we have to see the down ones only, upper ones we no need, down ones we have to see. If the plus is there means we have to write, minus is there means we have to plus. If the signs are in opposite sign, just cancel it, no need to change the signs here. Same signs means we have to change. Okay, here plus is there means minus, minus is there means we have to take plus. Okay. So here plus again minus we will get cancel. So here plus 4x square minus 3x square means x square will come. Okay. Again here what is the term is there? Here term is 0 is there. So this 0 we have to take down. Okay. Plus 0. Again I have to take x square by x. X will get cancelled means what is there in the x? So this x plus x again you have to multiply with the divisor. So x into x, x square. Again x into minus 2 minus 2x. Okay. Again we have to change the sign. Minus again here plus. This will get cancelled. Again here what is there? 2x is there. Again this 2x we have to divide with x. Why I am taking x means in the divisor we have the x term only is there. So linear polynomial they given. Linear polynomial we have to take the only the variable. In the variable what is there here? X is there. So x with x I am dividing. X will get cancelled. So what will come? 2. Plus 2 will come. This plus 2 again I am multiplying with the divisor. 2 into x. So again what is the term here? 4 is there. I am taking the 4 as an a down. So plus 4. 2 is there. 2 into x. 2x. 2 into minus. Plus into minus. Minus. 2 2's. So again here sign will be changed. Minus. plus. So 2x minus x will get cancelled. Plus 4 what will come? 8. So the remainder is 8. Again, we are replacing f in x place, we are replacing as an 2. No, there also we got 8. So both are correct. So in the question, what they asked to verify the result, it is actual division or not, they asked. So we are verified that both are same. So first you had to take as an a divisor, dividend. Okay. So in the dividend, we had to check the order. It is the order is there or not. We had to check. So x power 4 after x cube we want here. X cube in the question is not there, means I am written as an a 0. Again x square is there. Again x term we want here, x term is not there, so I am written as an a 0. Again plus 4, so it is in there x power 4, x cube, x square, x constant term. So if the order comes, means easy to do the problem. If you won't keep the zeros, means the problem completely will go wrong. Okay, you have to, when you are doing the long division process, you have to check first the order is there or not. If the order is in disorder, we have to arrange in the order. Again, if then that any term it is in the missing in the question, so you have to represent, we have to keep as an a 0, then only the order will come correct and we will get. Okay, now see here x. So with x power 4, I am cancelling with the x one time, means x cube will come. This x cube again I am multiplying this one, x cube into x, x power 4, x cube into 2 minus 2x cube, x power 4 will getting cancelled. Again 2x cube will come down. So again I am taking as a minus 3x square. This 2x cube will get cancelled, means square will come. 2x square and multiplying again 2x square into x, what will come? 2x cube will come. Again 2x square into minus 2 means minus 4x square will come. Again this here 4x square minus 3x means x square will come. Again 0 I am taken as an down. So what there it is there? 2x is there. So 2x again I am cancelling with the x, I am getting. So 2 will, so cancelling means, so here x square term I am get cancelled, here x will come. Again I am multiplying with x, means minus 2x will come now. X into x square minus 2x will come. Again if I take the here x term is there, x will get cancelled, means 2 only is there. With the constant term I am multiplying with divisor, 2 into x, 2x plus into minus, minus 2 to 4. Again here I am changing the signs. 2x will get cancelled, plus 4 minus 4. Again here what is there? 8 is there. So plus 4 will come 8. Okay. Still anyone have the doubt, means again I will explain. Otherwise we will go through the factor theorem now next. One more problem you want. One more problem means same as it is, only eighth problem is there. Just I will show for you, you only do the homework. Okay, how like we had to take, I will say. Same as it is eighth problem also, same as it is, only you had to take. Okay, one example problem I will say, eighth problem you only do. See. Two x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. So divide x minus 1. Okay. So in this, when we are seeing this question, we are see first when we are seeing this question f of x. See here. So first p of 1. So p of 1 we will get. So 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 4 minus 3 again minus 1. So minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 minus 8 plus 2 means minus 6 will come. So we want to get the remainder as an a 6 for this problem. Okay. Again same as it is. So here we have to check the powers. 4 is there, 3 is there, 2 is there in this problem, not there. So we have to keep the 0. Again power x is there. X is means here 1 is there. So again constant term is there. So x minus 1, 2x power 4 2x power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x. See minus 3x we don't want to write. We have to write plus 0 minus 3x minus 1. Why I am writing here 0 means here x square term is not there. Okay. X square term is not there. Okay. So long division means we have to check the same division process we have to check. So power 4 is there, cube is there, square is not there. So again x is there, constant term is there. So here x power 4 by x will get cancelled means x cube we want is there. So with x cube we have to multiply. So here what is that x cube? X power 4, 2x power 4 is there. So we have to multiply with 2x cube we have to multiply. 2x cube we have to multiply means 2x cube into x means 2x power 4 minus 2 1 into 2 2x cube. Okay. So here plus so signs has to sign minus, it is a plus. So again here x power 4 will get cancelled. So here plus 2x minus 4x cube is there. So minus sign it is bigger now. So I have to take as a minus 2x cube we have to take. Here again what is the term is there? Plus 0 is there. Okay. Again here minus 2x cube by x. If you get cancel means we will get minus 2x square. So minus 2x square. So again here minus 2x cube. X square into x cube. Plus into minus. Sorry, plus in minus into minus it comes plus. So 2x square. So again it will get cancelled, plus minus. So again minus 2x square. Again what is there here value? Minus 3x is there. So minus 3x. Again minus 2x square by x. X will get cancelled means minus 2x will come. Minus 2x. Again with minus 2x again we have to multiply. Minus 2x into x minus 2x square. Minus into minus plus 2x. So again here signs again will change. Plus minus. Plus minus we will get cancel. Again it comes minus 5x. Minus 5x. Again the term what is there here? Minus 1 is there. So minus 1 again we have to take a down. So minus 5x by x. X will get cancelled means